welcome all of you once again to this interesting topic, which is the generations of computers that we are looking at. So today we are going to focus on the fourth generations of what? Computers. So the fourth generations of computers were introduced within the period of what? 1970s to 1980s. Beautiful. So let's look at this picture. This is the technology that was what? Introduced in the fourth generations of computers. And this is called the microprocessor. The microprocessor. Say after me, microprocessor. That is beautiful. So let's look at what this microprocessor is, or how does it look like. It's a microchip, or this microchip is a tiny, complex electronic or device made up of semiconducting materials, usually what? Silicon. And this contains thousands of billions of what? Transistors and other components, all integrated onto a single chip that we are calling the microprocessor. I hope that's clear. So let's look at some computers that make use of what? This technology that we are calling the microprocessor. The Apple II computer make use of this microprocessor. We have the Alta 8800. We have the Cray 1. We have the Cray XMP. And then we have the PDP-11. So these were some computers that make use of the microprocessor technology that was introduced in the fourth generation between the period of 1970s to 1980s. So let's look at some features of the fourth generations of computers. The fourth generations of computers were based on the microprocessor. And these computers are very small in size compared to the three generations of computers that we look at. Fourth generations of computers are the cheapest among all the other generations of computers, meaning they are cheap, they are smaller in size, and the technology that was used is called the microprocessor. They are portable and quite what? Reliable. We can just pick them and put them in our bags and off we go to wherever we are going. And then these computers generate very small amount of hot heat, hence they do not require hot air conditioning. So this is just some few characteristics of what? The fourth generations. And lastly, the production cost is very hot, low. The production cost is very low. So thank you all for paying attention. And in basic 7 we have up to the fourth generations, and when we move ahead we are going to look at the fifth generation. But because of this tutorial, in our next lesson we'll just dive into the fifth generations of computers to end our lessons on generations of all computers. Thank you and see you in our next lesson. This is NTech-Lab, where we go through 8 lessons in basic schools. Thank you. See you in our next class.